Welcome back, guys. Yes, and today's a Sunday. We're just going to go through the charts at the moment and see what's happening here. So we'll take you straight to the 4 hour in Bitcoin. So this is the 4 hour in Bitcoin, guys. From the top here. So you can see we're heading down in this trajectory here. And that low was around 76744. 76744. So I'll just go here. And I'm just going to tell you where it could go. So the 7644 was roughly around here, roughly around this occasion. Well, I'm thinking it can go down to here, guys, down to about here, the 70, and the one after that is the 69. We'll take it from those two, guys. We'll take it from those two. That's the first two magnet lines here that we can dip down to, yeah, on the Bitcoin. So let's just pair these up with the trend line that's coming down. Yeah, we'll just do this. We'll just do this live because it just rubbed out on me. We've got a lot to get through to today, so yeah, just keep watching and I'll take it through step by step, yeah? So anyway, now I've done these magnet lines and where this trend line touches, I've got the 31st of May. All right, this is the 4 hour. Right, this is the 4 hour, yeah? We're going to go from here. Like so. So as we're doing this, guys, I know you can see the stock market crash at this point in time, but don't worry, guys. Remember what the big whales do. What do? They buy up. They buy up on the low, guys. Every crash, every stock market crash they've had since the beginning of time, or the beginning of the stock market. I've got the 4th of May roughly here. Yeah, so as I was saying, I got lost. But yeah, on the lows of the stock market, guys, that's where the billionaires make their money. So down here, we have around the 4th of May where I could see it going to, yeah? The 4th of May, guys, somewhere around there anyway, the beginning of May, because I did say previously at May, beginning of May, we should see a change of direction. So here at the moment, and this is the 4 hour, see, I'll just blow this up, guys, here for you. Yeah, look, so we're dipping down on this trend line that I've just made now. We're dipping down here. So from here, or as you can see back here, we've come up, come down, come up, come down. So we're in between this triangle here now and getting ever so closely to the end, guys. So this is on the 4 hour. So we could be heading down maybe by tonight, yeah, by midnight, before the Asian markets open, and then go back up, start to go back from Monday, keep coming back down. We could do something squiggly like this. I'll just draw it in for you. So we can go like here, down, here tonight, and then start like working its way back up, yeah, here, and even come back down, might go up there and come back down here, yeah, because around the 13th, I think 14th is the full moon, so we can make a decision around here, Yeah, make a decision around here. And me personally, I think we're going to go under, not have enough buying power, and come back down here to these levels here, lower levels here. That's on Bitcoin and everything else after it, including Ethereum. Yeah, I know you all want it to do something like this. So when it reaches here, go up. We all do, bounce back off it, and then start taking off like that. I'll just change the color for you, but I can't really see that happening at the moment because we're only in April and everything was going down starting of April. So the whole April month, I take it we're on a downward trend. So this is my opinion of where I think it's going. I think we're going to start heading back down here. To anyway mid-April, and then make a decision. Yeah, so that is on the Bitcoin chart for you. So let's go straight to Ethereum now. I did draw this in just a minute ago, but it's probably rubbed out. No, it's not. It's still there. Great, it's still there. So I'll give you, this is the 4 hour now, so you can see what it's doing from here. So this was from around, let's see, this is a 24th of March, guys. So it's a few weeks back now. It's been slightly going down, slightly selling off. We've come to kind of a bottom here, end of March. We started going up a bit in April, and then you see these wicks like this. Yeah, I'm sure the big whales are in on this, and they're just pumping the price down. As I said, they are pumping the price down. It keeps on wanting to go up, but all of a sudden you get these big, massive wicks, and people don't know what to do. They get like, rinsed out of their trade, and they're back at a starting point again. See, now we're sort of like accumulating. No one knows what to do. The people in the know are waiting at least for tonight, midnight, and see what happens on Monday morning. But here on my channel and my chart, I've got here reading of around, you see that is tonight, see the evening, it's coming, if it comes down here, guys. I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying if it comes down here. We've got these magnet lines here. There's one at 1697, one at 1675, one at 648, and the other one is at 1578, guys. That's the last one. So if it doesn't come dramatically down here like today, it could bubble along still here and still drop here by the end of next week. So, down here, it could be, the 7th, 8th, 9th, somewhere around this point can go down. Let's just check the calendar now here, because I'm a big believer in the moon cycle. We'll just take it from here. See, look at that. Around the 13th is the full moon, yeah? The 13th is the full moon. So if I go back to here, we could be heading down. We could be heading down. Who knows? If not dramatically, if not another, if not another week like that, we could have another one. Drop down here. So this could actually go something like this. Still bubble along here. If not go down, maybe you're going to get a week. It's just going to come down here straight like that here by Thursday, Friday. So you never know, guys. I will leave that there for you just to show you what could happen. Never know what's going to happen here on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just watch this channel, and let's see what happens with this one. But at the moment, there is quite a few magnet lines here to go. So I know you're wondering about Omikami and Ryojin. I'll just get on to that in a minute. But before that, I just want to tell you about, the Pulse Chain fiasco and the DAI. I say Pulse Chain. The DAI on Pulse Chain fiasco and everything is going on, and about Maria and everything else. Look at this. So they're saying this teddy bear to die. I know the liquidity's gone well down, but we're on 7.77 What's that? Is that a million or is that K? Let's have a look. We'll wait for it to come back up now here. 77 million market cap, 174K. And look, I just want to show you this bit. So holders, yeah, we got 26.24 holders, yeah. So that's I think nearly enough. I think was at 28 at one point. But anyway, 227K of volume. Look, we're up 39%. We've got a lot of people here saying that DIE's finished and everything, and get your money out now, what have you. But look at that. They're 26.2K holders. This is including myself. No one's selling. No one's selling. So what are these people talking about on the internet? Yeah. Oh, get out, get out. Everybody's taking their money. Take your money now. Don't listen to that. There's more FUD. There's more FUD than anything at the moment. While the stock market crashes, there's FUD on everything. There's FUD on everything. People that are not in the know are telling you to take your money out. When you can see right here, you've got 26.2K holders. No one's taking their money out, guys. The people who have invested in it, why are they gonna rush? You know, me included, as I said. Why am I gonna rush to take my money out now? It's at the bottom. I can't win anyway. If I take my money out, I'm in a loss. Yeah. So, you know, just that's a lesson for everybody to learn. If you're listening to these channels and say, "Oh, get your money out, all of these coins," I'm just talking about Teddy Bear or whatever's on DAI, Pulse Chain Network. But in any coin, in any meme coin that you have, yeah, if people are saying, "Oh, look, you're going to lose all your money," you're at the bottom already, guys. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? What's the point of taking them? You've put in $100, $1,000, and it's gone down to whatever, $50 or $20. Why are you taking it out now? It's gone, isn't it? You have to wait for the cycle to return and to come back up. You know, so don't listen to these people, guys. Your money is safe because it eventually, not straight away, guys, but eventually it will go up. So if you're clever, I'm going to say this again, if you're clever and you've done a lot of research into these billionaires and how they make their money, all the time the stock market crashes and anything crashes, they're the ones that are putting their money down in these hard times. The times that the fear times, the times that the people don't know what to do, and they're panicking in the streets, and they're taking out all their rest of their savings in the coins they put in just to get a few pence back or a few dollars back. No, if anything, yeah, you want to be putting in now, because sooner or later, guys, we're going to pump back up. Yeah, I know this is up 41% now, but I'm just showing you this one as an example. Yeah, it came all the way down to here. What was the low around here? It came to 1570. Yeah, but if you look still here, guys, on my chart, that is, it still hasn't reached the bottom magnet lines. There's two down here. Yeah, I think there's two. I'll just blow this up. This is on the 2 hour. Look, there's still two magnet lines down here that it still hasn't reached. So, yeah, I'm telling you what I'm going to do. I am in this one, and I am back to square one. I'm not even back to square one, actually. I am on minus. I'm on minus what I've put in here. But because this wick here came right down, yeah, it can easily come back down again. And I think it is. And it's going to touch at least that top magnet line I got down here. So that ain't the bottom. In my personal opinion, guys, this ain't the bottom here at all. So it's going to come back down. I've got some markers here, but I haven't updated this, so I will update it, and I'll get back to you with a special video on Pulse Chain Network for all you those who interested in Pulse Chain. But I'm going to buy when it comes down here, guys. I'm not listening to anyone else. I'm not listening to this scaremongering that's going on at the moment. Yeah, so I've got my charts, and I'm just sticking to them. And you can just watch what I do. And if you want to follow, you follow. If you don't want to follow, don't follow. Don't bother me. But that is not the bottom, and I'm waiting for it to come back down. And the more months that go past, it's good for me to save a bit more cash so I can put down at the bottom. So yeah, very well. It's good and well. It's going up now. But this is not the bottom for Teddy Bear and anything else on the Pulse Chain network. Yeah, so I'll leave you with that, and I will be back, as I said, doing a special video on all the other coins on Pulse Chain. All right, come, let's just get off that subject now and go straight to Omikami, because yeah, that's what everybody's here for. So let's see what's happening in Omikami now. We are on. What are we on now? Why is why is my laptop just? It's just frozen. Oh god. Oh no, here we are. 17.550 million market cap, 818k liquidity, 11.2k holders, 39k in volume. We're straight on the 2 hour, guys. Yeah. So here we have, yeah, we still got these two magnet lines down here. This one here at 1633 maybe, roughly, and this one here at 155. At 155 I'm looking at, and here let me just I want to take this background off, because you can't really see much. You can see better on the black background. Yeah, okay, so there we have it. I'll zoom in again for you, so you can see here what Omikami is doing, and all you those interested in Omikami and buying even more Omikami. Yeah, so we are here at the moment on 1848, and it did a little higher there on the 2nd of April, but it's coming back down. I have this blue trend line here that it was underneath. It's gone up here, and it seems to be connecting with that one. So yeah, I can still what I will do, I will follow this squiggly line that I said that it will go down into this zone here and take those two magnet lines before it decides what to do. And I'm still on that. I still believe in that here, because if you can see here, these markers I had here, it's gone past that now, so that's out of the question. But these two zones here, it's a bit dramatic to come down here, but following my lines here and this light blue trend line, this is the crossroads, as I've done a few weeks ago now. This is the crossroads we're all looking at, the 14th, 15th of April. And remember what I said, that's around the full moon. The 13th of April is around the full moon. So that could be bottoming him out there before it starts to head back up on Omikami, yeah? Don't worry, guys, about your bags, as I keep on telling you. If anything, you want to be buying more down here. Don't do nothing up here. Well, I can't really say that, but I'm not doing nothing up here. At least you can wait till you get down near the 1634 or that 1555 down here before I actually decide to put in. Remember what I said, guys. I'm going to tell you in every video, if I see it come dramatically down past this point here, that what was it, 15555, you're coming down here to the end of April. Because remember what I said, I think Ethereum, Bitcoin are still on a downtrend for the month of April. So it could come and wipe these ones out, yeah? So it's all good. It's all good here on Omikami. I know everybody doesn't like to hear or see the price going down, but you've got to look at it in the other way, that the more it comes down, the more money you can put down, guys. Because once it gets down to these regions down here, guys, yeah, past that, and if it goes past that, the big, huge whales are looking to drop, yeah. They're looking to drop 100 grand, 50 grand, all this silly money down here. And us with our little $100, $500, whatever, $1,000, that's going to be such a boost to us. Yeah, we're going to know that we've made the right decision and the right choice here to actually go for Omikami to make us rich in the long run. Yeah, so don't fret, guys. As I said, don't fret and don't panic. Yeah, you can see it coming down, but everything else is coming down here. So don't touch your money. I'm not touching my money. Yeah, um, just hang in there, guys. Hang in there and believe. Yeah, everybody, you know, everybody share good content on your X channel and here on YouTube. If you've got any good comments, write in, because we only want to see and hear positivity on this Omikami and Ryojin tokens. Yeah, so let's go with that one. Let's just go to Ryojin here also, because we are in Ryojin, or we want to be in Ryojin. Yeah, so Ryojin is on 6.31 million market cap, 410k liquidity, 9.76k holders. Yeah, so here now, look, this, we're on the 2 hour. Yeah, this main thick trend line is jumping out at the moment. It's trying to pop out here. You see that? It's trying to pop out here. And it hasn't. If it doesn't do it the first or second time, it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's not enough force behind it, guys. So as you can see with everything else, it's gonna come back down. This ain't gonna pop out now. It's gonna come back down. And if we follow the lines back here, I've got some markers down here. That first one roughly around 2821. The 9th of April, I've got one down here. Let's squeeze this up a bit so we can just get that one in. That is 1601, we'll call it, around the 14th of April, and that is around the full moon yet again. So it could try one more time and actually work its way back down here. I'll just put that in for you so you can see. Yeah, so we can try one more time, and then nope, it's coming back here. Yeah, it might bounce back off this and just keep on staircasing down. Yeah, it could keep on staircasing down like that. But we will see, guys, we will see. As long as we're keeping attention to detail and following everything what happens here on Ryojin and Omikami, we can't lose, guys. The only thing you can do here, if you see it going down, when you want to put in, I'm not telling you to put in, I'm saying when you want to put in, you can see I've drawn some magnet lines, these green ones here, 2815 roughly. There's another one at 1810, but that bottom one, 1601, roughly around here will be some good points to get in at. Yeah, there'll be some good points to get in here. I'm just, God, I can't. 1 minute. My throat. Oh. Yeah, excuse me. So I'm just going to move this. Hold on a minute. I'm just going to move this circle here. Just change this up a bit and I'll give you a crossing here. This is just to watch out for here. There could be a crossing here also. So we'll just change that up also in a different color so you can see it. That one too. Yeah. So that's it at the moment. Everything looks to be going down, and as it's gone down, as I said, in the stock market, the stock market is kind of crashed. But once that starts heading back up, Bitcoin will start heading back up, and Ethereum, Omikami, Ryojin, all the other coins here will start heading back on up. So that's it for the moment, guys. I will be back in a week. Remember, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Any comments you have, just I like to hear what you think, especially about Omikami and Ryojin. Any other questions you have, you can write into me, and I'll see you back on this channel real soon. Peace.